What's up, you guys? This is iPhone Use Cell Phone Parts and Repair, and I'm going to be sharing a video with you all on how to put your iPhone 15 into iTunes Restore mode. The first thing you want to do is take your charging cable and plug it into your laptop or PC, and as well into your phone. And from this stage, you want to press the volume up and then volume down. Then you want to press the power button and continue to hold it. And then you will notice the screen will go off. And then you press the volume up button and continue to hold both until the screen appears. And that's how you put your iPhone 15 into iTunes Restore mode. I hope this video was helpful to you guys in some kind of way. Don't forget to like us and subscribe. Until next time, you guys be safe, take good care of yourself, and have a blessed day.